The Somaliland Order in Council 1960 was a legal document issued by the British government to formalise the independence of British Somaliland on June 26, 1960. It ended British authority in Somaliland and established a framework for self-governance. The order defined Somaliland's territory, established a constitution with provisions for a council of ministers and a legislative assembly, created a judiciary system based on English common law supplemented by Somali customary law. This order marked the legal foundation of Somaliland's independence and governance. Under international law, a treaty is any legally binding agreement between states or countries. Article 102 of the United Nations Charter states that treaties must be registered with the Secretariat and published by it. A sovereign Somaliland signed, entered and registered its treaties with the United Nations Secretariat. There is no such legal agreement or treaty between a sovereign Somaliland and Somalia registered with the United Nations legalizing any unification. This is the reason Somalia cannot and will never attempt to go to court on this matter. The land was illegally annexed by Somalia, which continues to claim our borders and territory in violation of international law. The Republic of Somaliland's borders are enshrined in international treaties registered with the League of Nations and the United Nations. These treaties, signed in 1897, 1888, 1894, and the final one on June 26, 1960, granted Somaliland full independence. The Republic of Somaliland is not a breakaway, secessionist, or self-declared entity. It is the historic and legal nation of Somaliland. Under the doctrine of state continuity, a principle in international law, a state remains a sovereign entity regardless of occupation, annexation, or changes in government. The state cannot be extinguished by such actions. Despite an absence of 31 years, the Republic of Somaliland never legally ceased to exist. It remains a sovereign state and stands firm in reclaiming its rightful status in the international community.